People really didn't believe I was good at things when they went to my website. Originally, they went to riseproductive.com and said, who's this guy with the Notion face? And I had to say to them, I'm great in all this text, but you know, it's hard to believe a person on face value until you embed testimonials onto your homepage and then shove it in people's faces saying, hey, look how dope I am. I personally use a no-code builder called Typedream, and I was able to embed these extremely easy. And there are a lot of other examples of how other websites are embedding this kind of testimonial view and a lot of other ones with Testimonial.to's awesome embeds onto no-code websites. Justin Welsh is a great digital course creator. Follow him on Twitter. Recommend you check him out. And you just scroll down 1 second, you see there's way too many testimonials to say no to. I mean, look at the amount of video testimonials he got. 5 stars, just all over the place. You can't deny that this is a successful product and a product that's helped people because of how many people are saying how good it is. And it's very simple for him to just embed that. And I'm sure this thing sells like hotcakes. I mean, you got 1,300 students, $150 each. Do the math. 13,000 students. Oh, I did the math. That's a lot. Anyways, we got SaaS companies out here using testimonial, showcasing why teams love apps like Scribe. And you can see there's a different bit of a format here. It's like doing this whole scroll vibe, which we'll show you how to use later in this video. And another great example here is Recess, where they've got different tags showcasing the different product SKUs that they have and tagging things like their mood drink, their zero proof drink as well, and overall Recess, which allows people to see these segmented in different ways and allows people to understand why people love the different subset SKUs of products that people sell. It's especially good for e-com, as you can see in this case. And there's Dating by Blaine, which is a service example, and you can see what all the people are saying, specifically what all the guys are saying, sad boy hours, lonely boy hours, who are no longer lonely boys with this great dating advice. Now, how did I do the thing, right? Like, you want to see? Let's do the. If we go to our testimonial account and then go into the specific space, we're gonna have the option to go to embeds and metrics, and you can embed to places like Webflow, WordPress, Framer, Squarespace, Shopify, pretty much anywhere that has a embed tool or block. And you can pick single testimonials to embed. You can do your entire wall of love. So I can go on to Typedream and show you a couple examples. So what I did here is I actually embedded an entire wall of love. So you can do this as an entire full page, or you can just embed it into a specific spot. So for example, you'll see here that in this replace code button, what we have is all this code. Now, where did I get this code from, right? I went to testimonial, picked wall of love, and then first is you're gonna pick a layout. So you can do masonry scrolling, masonry fixed, and carousel slider, which is the example of the one I showed. So fixed is gonna be the one I wanna go with. And what you can do is essentially just copy the code here. You can do more customization to change like the border, medium, border radius, small, medium, add a shadow, right? I wanna add a little shadow here, shadow size. Let's do small. I like the vibe of this. You can do a little background color. So for example, we can do that, or make it transparent. You can add it to the vibe of the text that you have specifically. So I know my font specifically is Enter, which fits with my theme. And then for the heart color, you can even change it to the theme as well. I'm just gonna copy this by pressing copy code, and then I'm gonna go back here and paste it in, insert code here. Then when I press preview, you can see, boom, it did change things to have a little drop shadow, which kind of makes them pop a little bit more, load more, and it continues to showcase all the wonderful reviews that I got from my community. Now with that wall of love, you could have been scrolling so that rather than it being fixed, like they would have had to continue to scroll through without pressing load more. And then there are some other awesome options. So for example, the single testimonial one is kind of big for me. So if I do video testimonial, you'll see that I just kind of want to find the specific video one that I have here. So I have a video one, and I'm gonna take this, and in the video, there's this little easy option button right here. If I press share and embed the testimonial. So now what I'm gonna do is I've been working on a new page where I'm gonna do professional content services. And a great place to start would be showcasing some video testimonials of, you know, how good I am on camera and whatnot from people saying so. So on that video, what we're gonna do is we are going to make sure that we press copy code, and then we're gonna do /embed, just like you can do on any no-code website. Click on it, paste that code. And then Brenna, who was nice enough to give us a testimony on how great I am doing as a content services provider, I can then take what she said, and then from there I can pick the best thing that I believe would showcase to people how I provided content marketing services to her and Morgan into a text format down below. And then I can also tweak the sizing of this to my liking as well. I'm gonna make it about yay big, keep that rounding image there. And now when people get to my content services page, they almost immediately see a video testimonial from somebody who I make content for. It's really that simple and easy. All you need to do is go into testimonial and pick the embed that you want. And there's also some really great tutorials on how to embed all of these as well, whether it be clicking on this text testimonial, this video testimonial, or a quick guide on how to do any of these, similar to what I just showed in this video. And then when it comes to tags, it's actually really easy. All you need to do is do manage tags and then display tags on Wall of Love, and then go through the embed process to get something to look just like what you see on the Recess testimonial page here. So for example, if I wanted to take the Wall of Love for the carousel slider, I can also do some of the same customization stuff. So like adding a little bit of a shadow, changing the color if I'd want. Definitely gonna make sure it's set on enter. As you can see, I had the settings from what I had previously. You can pick to do light or dark theme, have things autoplay as well. So every 5 seconds it would auto slide for this specific slider option. And then here, as you can see with the tags, you can even like pick specific tags as well to just showcase. And then I'm gonna do copy here, go back into the website, and let's do another embed example with that slider. So /embed, and then paste the code in here. You can see since I picked the 1 row option, and then do preview, and then this slider will then be able to be slid through and show all these cool testimonials. I hope this video helped you learn how to embed testimonials into these no-code platforms and showcase to you all the different ways that testimonial gives you the option to display the nice things people are saying about you. I know for me, I like when people say nice things about me, and if I can show it better on the internet, well, that's something that I'm grateful for testimonials existence. With that being said, thank you so much, and we will see you in the next one.